Top 5 Beautiful Hibiscus Plants. Hibiscus Rosa-Sinensis, Red China Hibiscus, classic bright red blooms, glossy petals, and a bold tropical look. The most iconic and eye-catching hibiscus variety. Yellow Hibiscus, sunny yellow petals with a deep red throat. Brings instant brightness and gives a cheerful tropical vibe. Double Peach Hibiscus, layered, ruffled petals and soft peach tones. Looks like a mini rose and blooms heavily all year. White Hibiscus, pure white blooms symbolizing peace and purity, elegant, calming, and perfect for serene garden corners. Hibiscus Painted Lady, variegated hibiscus, striking multicolored petals, pink, red, and orange blends. Highly ornamental and extremely photogenic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit a like.